Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best blender for juicing available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Selecting a blender that can also juice is the perfect solution as you have the best of both options at your fingertips, making you feel like a real master chef. Check out the quick info below of our top blender for juicing, then watch for more helpful buying tips and full reviews plus other high-ranking options. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Vitamix fuels passions. It's why we're the brand most trusted by professional chefs. But you won't just find us in restaurant kitchens. You'll also find us in home kitchens around the world. Because whether you're interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant-quality smoothies at home, when you're ready to move on and move up, when you're ready to invest in your passion, you're ready for Vitamix. Number 2. Kuvings BPA-free whole slow juicer B6000SR. Found on the world's first wide-mouth slow juicer, Kuvings' patented, large 3 inches feeding tube can easily accommodate whole produce items, reducing prep and processing time to up 40%. This breakthrough juicer can produce a glass of fresh juice in seconds and eliminates the drawbacks of high speed. The result is juice that's richer and more full-bodied, with a higher nutritional value and wonderful aroma. Number 3. Ninja Kitchen System. Ninja Kitchen System with Auto IQ Boost, allowing you to truly customize your drink-making experience, whether you're using nutrient and vitamin extraction or high-performance blending. Now you can make deliciously drinkable juices or whip up ultra-creamy frozen smoothies, all at the touch of a button. With total crushing technology, you can pulverize ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family. Number 4. Vitamix Certified Reconditioned 5300 Blender. Enjoy the power and convenience of Vitamix with our 5300 blender. Featuring a 64-ounce low-profile container for blending large batches, the 5300 fits easily under most kitchen cabinets so you can be ready to blend at any time. Whether you prefer an icy blend or a perfectly smooth puree, nutrition packed with veggies or a light, fruity treat, Vitamix smoothies give you a delicious, even blend in every sip. Number 5. Panasonic MX-ZX 1800. Turn up the flavor with the powerful Panasonic ZX1800 high-performance blender featuring electrostatic touch controls, a blue LED speed dial and a 6-point stainless steel blade system. Quickly chop, crush, puree, blend, heat, grind and more for the ultimate in fresh, flavorful foods, drinks and treats. The 6-point stainless steel blade system purees whole fruits and vegetables in seconds, skins, seeds and all, to preserve essential vitamins and nutrients.